Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing 10 lines essay about golf. Number 1. Golf is an outdoor game. Number 2. It is popular worldwide. Number 3. It is played with clubs and a ball. Number 4. Players aim to hit the ball into holes. Number 5. The sport requires proper strategy and focus. Number 6. Golf can be played both alone or in groups. Number 7. Golf courses vary in size and layout. Number 8. Golf is good for both your physical and mental health. Number 9. It is an ancient sport with a rich history. Number 10. People of all ages enjoy golf. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.